with Dave at odd numbered hull systems, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we're going to look at even mechanical advantage systems, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So the main difference, the key difference to recognize between the two is that with an even numbered hull systems, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc., the end of the line starts at the anchor point. With odd numbered hull systems, 3, 5, 7, 9, the end of the rope starts at our load. So generally, if we're in a situation where the rescuer is over the edge and the rope is going to the rescuer or the victim, that's a situation where we're always going to be working with our odd numbers, our 3, 5. We're going to be building those inline systems. When we're going to see, practically when we're going to see our even numbered systems are when we have snap-on piggyback hull systems, or our emergency hull system, or even our Aztecs. In this case, we're going to go through the progression using the even numbers. So end of the rope, starting at the anchor point, travels to Dave, and comes back again. What I have set up here is a progress capture with the 2 prussics and a second pulley here. So again, if we're determining our mechanical advantage, like Dave says, is what pulleys are moving in this system. If I pull on this system, I'm just going to pull a bit, Dave. That pulley is moving, this pulley is not. So this is providing us no mechanical advantage. We have what I'm pulling transferring down on one side and on the other side, therefore giving us 2 to 1 at the end of the pulley. So this is a 2 to 1 system. Okay, our next progression will be to add a second pulley to the load. Okay, now we have how many traveling pulleys? We have 2 traveling pulleys, each providing us with 2 to 1. 2 and 2 is 4, 4 to 1 system. I've connected this to the rope instead of to Dave. Maybe, we'll see if you can have a look. I'm just going to pull up on this. See if you can tell there's a bit of a difference in speed travel between the 2 pulleys. This one's collapsing in a bit quicker than that one. So pulleys are traveling in the same direction, but at a different speed. So we now have a compound system. Essentially what we have is a 3 to 1 system connected to a 2 to 1. 3 times 2, 6. So we end up with a compound 6 to 1 mechanical advantage.
And that about wraps it up, guys. Compound versus simple, and 2 to 1s versus 3 to 1.